This is CasinoStar Demonstration from Spectronics. CasinoStar is a PC-based program that allows casinos to run their progressive applications as well as run digital video media, such as commercials and other advertisements. CasinoStar is very easy to configure and it's very adjustable, so it allows the casino operator to pretty much lay out their own progressives and be able to place in their own advertisements. Also, Spectronics does these services as well, and we lay out the progressive templates, which generally don't change once they're created, and we can also help you and assist you in creating digital video media and show you how to set those up so that they play at the correct intervals that you wish. CasinoStar is a PC-based program. Basically, CasinoStar will be sold with a PC from Spectronics, and in that case we preload CasinoStar into the PC, and we also assist you in putting together your initial media. So let's take a moment and run CasinoStar. We have a particular demonstration that we've put together, and we'll just see it run here, and then we'll show you how to insert some of your own media advertising. So over here we have the CasinoStar icon. Normally we would put this on a startup so that as soon as your PC starts up, CasinoStar would automatically run. But for the demonstration purposes, I have it here, and I'll double click on the icon. Now when CasinoStar starts, it shows you what version number it is, and it takes a few seconds for it to boot up. It loads some certain content that it basically needs in order to run. Here you see a demonstration that we created, Hop-Along Jackpots. That's a little theme that we created, and it basically shows a multi-level progressive application. It also shows our customized fonts that we've created. So this would be the progressive application. Now I'm going to escape out of the program, and I'm going to go in there and show you how easy it is to put in digital video media content. So I'm going to go to the Start bar, use Explorer. Now CasinoStar normally gets installed into program files under your C directory. So under program files you'll see CasinoStar version 2.24. So we'll take a look inside this directory, and one of the most important files that you'll find in this directory is the background.bat file. The background.bat file is essentially the list of all the commands that are going to be played in sequence. And this is the file that you'll modify to put in your content. So I'll go ahead and use Notepad so that we can edit the background.bat file. So Notepad is available on all Windows. So it's a simple editor program. And as you can see, I'm going to drag background.bat over into the Notepad. And as you can see, background.bat is just a very simple text program. Now the start command is basically where it's going to loop back. Some of these other commands here are part of the demonstration for the progressive. Please keep in mind that normally Spectronics will assist you in setting up your progressive template and make sure that your font and your media for your progressive is as you wish. What I'm going to show is how to add a simple play command so that you can play your digital video content. It's as simple as typing play and then typing the file name of the digital content. Now on this directory I happen to have a file called Steak D1. It's a steak dinner commercial that I want to play. So I simply add the file name onto the command line, and the second argument, the comma 20, is we're going to at least play for 20 seconds. What really happens is the steak commercial plays once, and as long as the length of the steak commercial is less than 20 seconds, everything is okay. If the commercial was longer than 20 seconds, it would truncate at 20 seconds. So that value right now is just being used as a safety catch. Okay, let's go ahead and save our batch file and go ahead and rerun CasinoStar. As you can see, CasinoStar is booting back up. This will take a few seconds. It's loading some content that it needs. Now as you can see, it's playing the progressive template because that's the first command in the batch file. And right now I have this set for playing 10 seconds, but I'll show you how to play it for longer. And after 10 seconds, it should now play our state commercial. And there's our state commercial. Now notice our state commercial is actually, the digital video clip is not the right size for the screen. CasinoStar is very powerful and it can actually auto-format for us. And I'll show you how to do that. On the state commercial, I'm going to go ahead and add 4 options, which is the size of the display. So we basically start on the left corner, 1, 1, comma. Now I have the screen resolution set up to 848 in this case, and 480. Okay? This extra 4 arguments on the play command says take your digital video clip and fit it into this window. I'll save. Go ahead and run CasinoStar again. Again, it takes a few minutes to start the program out. Here's our progressive demonstration. Again, it plays first because it's first in the batch file. It'll play for 10 seconds because I have it set to play for 10 seconds. And now our steak dinner commercial plays, but now you can see it's properly formatted on the screen. So CasinoStar resized the graphic to the actual full size of the screen. It's a powerful feature. Let me go ahead and break out of CasinoStar. I'll hit escape. I'll go back to the batch file that we have here. And this first argument on the meters command, the 10, means play the meters progressive for 10 seconds. Let's say you don't want it to play for 10 seconds and you want it to play for 1 minute. In that case, it's 60 seconds. So if we put 60 on the meters command, and let me go ahead and also put another copy of the steak commercial at the beginning of the script. Okay, so I've just rearranged the order of the batch file. What we expect to happen is the play command will happen first, then for the steak commercial, and then the play command for the meters will happen second. But in this case, the meters now will stay up for 60 seconds. Save my batch file, and rerun CasinoStar. Okay, as you can see, the steak commercial now plays first. Once the steak commercial is over, it'll play our progressive template. Here's our progressive template. Now this time, since I have the progressive template set for 60 seconds, you can expect it to stay on the progressive mode for a minute. And as you can see, it's staying here longer. Please keep in mind that this content is demonstration only, and we can create any kind of look and any kind of theme, match any kind of theme that you would like. And again, it's possible for your own people to lay that out, but it's also a good idea to have Spectronics do a lot of this work for you. We do it at a very low cost, and we can do it very quickly for you. This concludes our CasinoStar demonstration. Thank you very much for your time.